Hi, my name is Simon. I'm 17 years old. I'm doing a high-tech electronics apprenticeship at level 3 at Vailport. I've been working here for 6 months at Vailport, and Vailport are a leading manufacturer of oceanographic survey equipment, so measuring things under the water. I got into the apprenticeship because I'm not that great at doing things academically, however I'm good at work practically, and I've always enjoyed electronics whilst in school, so I thought high-tech electronic apprenticeship would be the way forward, really. Here at Vailport they do everything from designing the product to shipping out the door and getting it back for servicing and repairs. I work with the production on the production floor, and we build up the products which are designed in R&D and then manufactured in the machine shop where they build all the little parts for it. We put it all together and ship it up out the door. There is no real typical day here. You could be building one product one day and get 50 of them out, and then be doing a specialised product the next and finishing it in one day and shipping it off to somewhere like Texas or China. For example, the Mini SVS, which is a miniature sound velocity sensor, measures the time it takes for a beam to hit from the sensor to a small plate on the other side, get there and back, and from that data it then concludes things such as the speed of water. I'm at South Devon College one day a week. It's brilliant there, the support is great. If I struggle with any of my work at all, I can ask the tutors and they'll stay behind with me, even to like as late as 8 o'clock in the evening, to go through a singular assignment with me. I have different reviews at my workplace where my training officer comes in and they look at how we're doing and speak to my employer and just get like a general outcome of how it is. They make it really easy for me to juggle between the work I get from them and the work I have to do at work. Sometimes it can be a bit difficult going for a full working day to then come home and see that you've got more college work left to do. However, they make it really easy with they don't give you any really bad deadlines of a week to get one thing done. You get 2 weeks normally, which is pretty good. We also have mentors in work, and they're great so that if I have a problem in work, I can take it to them and then they can help me do it and they can teach me what I need to know for the work here. And if they don't know, then they then find someone else who does know, so they can then tell me themselves. I'm doing a lot better than I was to start with. I look at some of the work that I did to start with and I was a bit worried about it because I came straight out of school, so I hadn't done any of this sort of stuff before. Work was completely new to me. So when I first joined, it was pretty shocking, the work that I did, but they made sure that it was up to a good standard to send out, and then they've built it up to work that I'm actually quite proud of doing. I have another 18 months of my apprenticeship here until I've completed it, hoping for the distinctions. I can then look on to hopefully maybe securing a full-time job here at Vailport, which could be good, and then maybe even continuing on with South Devon College, going into HNC and maybe following on to do my degree. I'm 17, so really what's going to go forward from now, what I do in the future, isn't really set. But I feel like working here and doing my apprenticeship, I've got a solid foundation of, I get good qualifications, I get a good experience at work, so I've got the life experience needed, and I can just, and I've got a good start for my future.